7 green drinks in 7 days, and this will change your life. If you have a busy lifestyle and you're not eating enough greens on a daily basis, then don't do nothing. Do something. As soon as you wake up in the morning, you should be drinking a glass of water to hydrate anyway. Your body's been dialyzing all night, collecting toxins, and they're ready to be excreted from your body in the morning. With 5 greens, we're not only hydrating ourselves and moving these toxins along, we're actually hydrating ourselves with micronutrients. Every serve is worth 100 grams of green leafy vegetables. It's very, very simple to fill those nutritional gaps that are created with a busy lifestyle. Without the juicing, without the cleaning, you can mix it up as you're walking out the front door. You can mix it up in water, you can add it to your favorite juice, or you can put it in your favorite smoothie. And the beauty of 5 greens is that they're all sprouted ingredients. It's bioavailable, meaning it's easy on the stomach, ready to be absorbed and uptaken by your body. The micronutrients are then absorbed through the wall of the small intestine and then into every single cell of your body. This is how we get healthier and healthier. There's 40 servings there, so that's 40 days in a row that you can be making sure that you're having those green vegetables in your diet. Grab yourself a tub of 5 greens. The value and the quality combined is better than anything else in the marketplace. 7 green drinks in 7 days, and this will change your life.